that's recorded right now, Terry Screen 4 is Tag One Star PS3.
And if you want to get Final Zombies, give us a call.
If you have PS3 account, we have Xbox 360. Start getting a PS3. See if I can see you, Niles. Or I can. It's just I have to be in the sun a little bit.
Look at these nice cars.
I know. Hey, Nyla. I know!
So when we go home, we're gonna play Subject to Zombies play. We're the best.
Yeah! But you guys, so I'm gonna be getting a new camcorder. So, I don't know how to make my YouTube videos off a camcorder now because the videos I've been doing now has been off my phone. So, I don't know how to make a YouTube video of my camcorder. So
And
put in a comment of how to make a YouTube video of a camcorder because it's been mostly easy off my phone. But pretty soon I will be getting a camcorder. So yeah, please help and put in a comment or something and let me know how to, so I can still be on the YouTube channels. Yeah.
Yep.
So that would really help a lot. And pretty soon, my friends right here will be making their YouTube videos too. So,
if you come from my house, we can make some Nerf videos.
oh yeah, our zombie videos. Yeah, we will be doing more episodes of like, you know, zombies, PS3 game videos. Yeah. Yeah, much more. So yeah, what?
That white.
So yeah, enjoy the rest of the 2012 car show. Damn, you saw that! Damn! No, we recording! Oh! Man, I was cutting her hair so that's not till I saw it go your mouth. I grabbed it.
Nasty.
I know, I hate smoke.
I know. Roger, unhealthy.
I know! I can smell it, bro!
You see that black man over there? Wait till this doodle car pass by.
I know!
Right there. That super black man is red.
Yeah. Y'all can probably see this car right there I'm looking at, but it's a, what, Challenger or Charger?
Oh, it's a Camaro.
It's a Camaro.
Oh, Camaro, and it's black. It got some, yeah, it looks real cool. And look, there's a white one.
Oh, look at that one. Damn. Miley Carlo. Probably likes it.
Oh yeah, and I have also seen that you guys been going to my channel, and I only got 45 views though. So also put in a comment of how to get a picture as your YouTube account, something. Cause I just hate go to my YouTube channel and then see it's that.
That little head.
record those.
Hey, but that seems to be all for today.
No, we're still recording. No, we're still. Po. Do. So I should be doing sometimes now. Ride my bike. I don't know, for me his door was open. I can't wait till I get that camcorder. So everything can look so much better, man. Can't wait till my birthday. Few days away. Well, my friends, family keep on saying it's a few months away. But to me, less than a month. Like, about like, let's say, 12 months. Right? Yeah, somewhere 12 months. It would be funny if we caught her on YouTube too. For some reason I'm about to hear another car rev its engine. You're like, you're going, and then he's like, trying to call away. Bring me that ass. I mean, no harm. No, I'm gonna show you harm. Look at this dick, and he was like, he's like, sorry, over you
guys. Though we talking about another video on YouTube, so.
Yeah.
Some words that don't sound right and fit in this video. This is another video we're talking about YouTube. So
yeah.
If you wanna know what it is, it's called Minecraft parody. It's like in a cartoon.
No, say Minecraft fails. It's
Minecraft fail parody.
Yeah. Or for Gansman or Gazman. I don't know how to say his name. But that Minecraft video, all those, Gosmon is the one that made a Minecraft fail, DBZ, that Dragon Ball Z 18 fail. Remember when you were like,
oh my god, Jade smoke. Dang, look at those big old tires. Look at that one, bro. You kill all kind of people with that.
Man, I remember when I was running down here, dude, I was seeing this one car, and then, man, it was so freaking shiny. I think it was white or black. It was so shiny. And then I was thinking of something like with a dirt or something called a heavy. So, man, like a tiny dirt. know that he should have brought his motorcycle. Oh, that would be tight. Because my girlfriend also got a motorcycle. That would be cool if we did something right down here. Wait, what? Hey! What? She's just only in front of me. To go to this polo video got in. Did it just end? Or was that just the beginning? It's probably just in the middle. Oh, my bad.
They said that they are filled up. It's a waiting list for 7th grade. And
Please go to Southwestern.
I'm already signed into Kindness.
No, man.
No, the only reason is that Tyler cut it out.
I'm gonna rev Carmen's car, or whoever the boss is. Whoever's the boss of Carmen, I'm gonna rip his heart out, and then you're gonna have to go to friggin' Southwestern. And then we could be over.
Oh man.
Say what the?
Because in July I was still waiting for my responsible.
Happy hippie girl.
They were filled up already. That's why I had to because I wanted to know what you know, but we already.
Guys, we're about to end this video, but this was just only the beginning.
Subscribe.
No, we still, dude, we still gonna make a part 2. This was just the end of part 1.
Yeah, so subscribe, leave a comment, like, the button down there, subscribe up here, and
Check my channel out.
way down there.
You gay? Chucky? Oh crap!
And remember Big Bang underspace Big underspace Bang underspace 1372. The Nicholas Matt Matt